Okay, que pasa muchacha? Que pasa bato? What is up, my friends? Welcome into 2024 Trader Nerds, and I've had some all kind of problems today. I got a new computer, a new laptop, and I've been blocked out of my Microsoft stuff and all my University of Alabama stuff. I think I've been fired. So yeah, after the game last night, I think they fired me. So they're like, "No, we don't need you, man. We're good. We were you're the reason for the loss." I don't know. I would not have run it right up the middle, and if I had run it right up the middle, I would have followed my lead block over to the left and got a touchdown. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. But it is what it is. I couldn't sleep last night, but life is good. Okay, so I don't have access to my old spreadsheet, y'all. So we're gonna have to start afresh with a spreadsheet, okay? And I'll put my trades in there when the University of Alabama support team. Apparently, they had a late night last night as well. As soon as they get me back into my accounts, okay. So what we're gonna do is just like you have done. We're going to open the blank spreadsheet that you have, the 2024 spreadsheet. And then your first of all thing you're going to do is you're going to save a copy, right? So I'm going to save as, and let's just do this PC, and we'll save on the, let's see, say this PC. Where's for the love of God? Here we go. Downloads, documents, this PC, users, Beth A. All right, we'll put it in here for now. Okay. Y'all help me remember where it's at. So we will go Sweet Bobby 2024 spreadsheet. That's what I'll call it. That's my main Crimson account, right? Sweet Bobby 2024 spreadsheet. Okay, so we got a copy of that. Now let's also save a copy, save as, and let's go this PC again. We'll put it in the same place, and we'll go Tasty Trade spreadsheet. Okay. And then we'll also go File, Save As, this PC, and we'll go Mega Tasty Trade 2024 spreadsheet. See what I'm doing? I'm saving a spreadsheet for each one of my accounts. Then we'll go File, Save As, this PC, and this time we'll go IRA 2024 spreadsheet. And then we'll finally do a Roth IRA. Good Lord. Don't trade as many accounts as I do. That was crazy. All right. So then we'll go Roth IRA. All right. There we go. Looking good. Now, so what we do is let's go back to the regular spreadsheet, the Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. Open it up. Oh, don't make me pull in for that. Roth IRA spreadsheet. Hold on. Couldn't refresh data types. Hold on. I'm trying to save to this PC. File, Tade, Sweet Bobby. Oh, that ain't the one then. Sweet Bobby 2023. So let's see. Open, and let's go Sweet Bobby 2024 spread. There we go. There we go. All right. So now let's see what our net lick is in this account. So the accounts, look, y'all, we're down 1% today. Waka. What a way to start the day, right? Well, we need to draw big green monsters and everything, but let's hold off on that. So let's go over here in the Crimson account. Let's see how we're doing today. Did we blow out our account? We're at 21,036. 21,036. So let's put that in. 21,036. 21,036. Well, first of all, let's do 21,036. Yeah, it's what it is today, right? So 1, 2, 24. What do we say? 21,036. We'll just start off with that, okay? 21,036. And then let's go Now we can't pull in our old trades yet, y'all, because we don't have that data because I can't open that spreadsheet. So that's fine. No big deal. When I get my login privileges back in, we'll do it. But we can do our Greeks and ratios. So let's see where our Greeks and ratios are. So here we're 2519, 2519, 19. And VIX is did VIX raise its little head today? Let's see. Chart. VIX is at 13.5. Waka waka. Okay. Buying power usage. Well, let's see what that is. Our buying power usage is $6,500. Hey, Beth, will you send one of the kids up with my trading plan? I left it on my medicines in the kitchen. I want everybody to see the trading plan. Would you mind? So everything looks really, really good, y'all. Now, I wish I remembered what our trades are. So fortunately, we have our trades grouped. So let's see what we got over here. All right, let's go look at our groupings. All right, so we have a BSH1. We got a hedge on demand. Is that still there? Is that gone? Looks like that is gone. So let's get rid of that. Delete that group. Let's get everything cleaned up, y'all, when we're together. All right, we got long puts. I don't have any long puts. Let's get rid of that. Who needs long puts? Okay. And we've got short futures. We ain't got no short futures. Let's get rid of that. And then we got some unallocated stuff. So let's see what that is. So we got an ES. Aha. Looks like we started a BSH2. Everybody see that? So we got a BSH. Let's see what this one is. That's a 1220. We had a good down day. So we started. So we'll call this BSH2. Or SBH, whatever you want to call it, Sweet Bobby Hedge, whatever the thing. So I really can't start another one in this trade. But here's what I wanted to show you. Look at this, y'all. On a 1% move down, look what we are. We're down like $62. Isn't that great? It's just really great. So in this account, it is a little bit low of theta. But remember, the theta is low because of this 16. If it were not for the theta of the 1220 and the 3. Yeah, everybody look at this. Hold on, let's see if it can show it. See this written trading plan? Yeah, see this? It's got a wire binder on it. It's printed. It's got a nice black cover on the back. It's 24-pound card stock and ready to go. Ready to go. My trading plan. You can get this in the comments below down here. This is a wonderful little trading plan. We're not changing it at all. So let's see what we want to do. I think so in other words, you might want to put your theta in without the black swan hedges. So our theta would be 34 without it. So let's see what that looks like. Theta of 34.16. So y'all, there is no reason. Hey, if y'all don't hush up, Daddy's going to spank y'all's tail. Beth? All right, so really there's no need to put on another trade here. Now also, remember, periodically, you need to go in here and see if any of our things are 95%, probably not on a down day, right? But you need to go in every now and then and say, hey, what's my profit and loss here? 79%, 78, 62, 20, plus 7. So everything looks really, really good, and everything is responding well to a 1% down move in the market. Anyone got any questions? Questions, comments? So good to see all of y'all here, too. We got 32 people here today. This is wonderful. All right, so let's go to the next account. So we got this one, right? So let's go file. Let's go to the Tasty Trade account. Tasty Trade account is this one. There we go. Enable content. Now remember, we can't pull up the data from our other things, but let's see what this looks like. So here we are here. Portfolio. The Tasty account is the Bobby account. So we're at negative 90. No, we're doing good. 42,044. 42,044. See what that looks like. 42,044. 42,044. And we'll fix the starting when we get all this together. No big deal. So 1, 2, 24. All right. And we don't have the trades. We don't keep up with the trades in this one. So let's say our Gregson ratios are. So this is a Bobby account here. So we're at 9 and 12. 9 and 12. And if you can find out what your ES is, theta, you can take that out, right? And our buying power over here, remember this one here. So our positions are 3,700. Yeah, you can kind of see here, can't you? You can see you got negative 31 and 14. What is that? Negative 17 or so? Negative 17. So actually, our theta would be 29. Let's put that in 29. There we go. Buying power usage is, let's see, buying power usage is $3,700. So we can actually put a trade in over here. And what a great day to put a trade in, y'all, on a day when the market is down like this. So why don't we take advantage of it? And let's go over here, trading this account, and let's go to the micros. And we will trade. And let's do a two trancher. So we'll go closest to 120. That's 12 away. That's 16 away. So we'll go to 108. And we'll do about the 25 delta. So this, buy one of those, sell one of those, and we'll do two of those, right, for $9. Bill. Then we'll go down to the 5% probability being in the money. So 5, 5, 6. So we could go down to this, let's go down here. This 6%, 5. Well, I'm gonna keep by my rules. Let's go right here. And let's sell four of these, 2, 3, 4. And let's bump that up closer to the mid price. And come on, baby. Come on, baby. Replace order. Make it less advantageous to us. That's how you do it. And we are filled, baby. Filled, baby, filled. Beautiful. Okay. Look at this. This account on a 1% down move is up $18 on a day. I love that. Isn't that great? Now let's see what we got in here. Let's see what our positions are. So we really want to see what our positions are of ES. So ES, we've got a 111 in the ES. Okay. So everything looks good there. No big deal. Then we've got ES here. We've got a 12 and 20. Now, y'all, follow along with me. Today is a down day. We have not started the next tranche of the Black Swan hedge. It is a great day on a 1% down move to do that. So what we'll do is we'll go and we'll trade the E-minis, right? And let's trade E-minis. Now, where do you want to put it? I don't know. Anything above 60s where you want to put it. So Tony likes putting them in 90s. Let's do the 90 again. And let's go ahead and do our trade. So we go down to a point that we can sell 3. Let's see if we got enough buying power to do this. We might have to get rid of some bill. So go down to where you can sell it for $3. So we got, let's see how much buying power we're going to need for this. So we're going to go down to this 3,400 and we're going to sell 3. Sell 3, 2, 3. Let's see if we got enough buying power. Yeah, it looks like we should have enough buying power, doesn't it? It's not going to take a lot at all. So let's try 320. Does not have enough buying power for that. No big deal. How much buying power do we have? Stop buying power, option buying power 2,200, and we need to get rid of about 15 shares or so of Bill. So let's go to our positions. Let's get rid of about 15 of these. Ed, did I do the math right? Is 15 going to do it? Close position. So let's close 15 of them. Let's say 16 just to be sure. There we go. That's only giving us a $384 credit. Let's go back to the E-minis. See where's my order at? Make sure I'm on the e-minis. And we were going to go, what did we say, 86 days down to $3. I had to close some more. 3,400, 1,200 in buying power. What else I got? We got option buying power of 2,600. And this is going to take how much? 2, 3. It's going to take 3,700, and we only got 2,600. So we do have to, and this is a margin account. That's the reason, Ed. This is a margin account. So we're getting credit for some of that bill, right? So we got to close a few more bills. So let's say 15 times, let's close about 50 of those. Close positions. Let's close 50 of those. See what that'll be. Close 50. Now what do we got? Now we got option buying power of 3,700. That's about right, y'all. Let's see. Let's go one more. Just another share. Let's go to Bill. Just a couple more shares just to make sure. Close position. Let's close about 4 more shares. Just to give us a little room. There we go. All right, so that should give us 38, 48. That ought to be enough. Let's see now. So now let's go back to e-minis. And we were going to sell these for 3 of them for around 315. So we should have enough buying power. 3,700. We got 3,800. So let's sell 3 of those. Okay. Working. Replace order. 310. And we are filled for 310. So then what you do, y'all, you remember you got a little calculator, right? And you got a calculator in your spreadsheet. You go down and you go to SPH break even, and you go down to this bottom one right here. So number of BSH tranches is 1, number of short perps is -3. The price of the shorts was 310. That's what we got fixed on. Then the price of the harvest is 20 cents. So what should we do our longs for so that we'll at least break even? So you do your little solver thing, and it says, hey man, if you'll do those for $1.66, your longs, you'll end up with a break even. So let's do them about 160, you want to? So we'll go back here, and then we'll go and find our little 3s that we sold. There they are. We'll buy 5 of these. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll make them at, what they said, $1.60. And then do the day order to good till cancel. And walk away. Ta-da! Questions. Key questions. Isn't that great? Isn't that fun? Question. All right, let's go to the mega account. Mega. But no, great. God, that looks good. So let's go to the mega account. That's this one. So we are at 459,003. 459,003. 459,003. So let's close this one. Save. Let's go open and Tasty Trade Mega 458, 459,003. All right, 459,003. And today is 1/2/24. Okay. And so let's go to our Greeks and ratios over here. Remember, we'll bring our trades over later, y'all, when we have we can get University of Alabama helps me to get them back. So over here, we are at, let's see, let's make sure we're looking at this account and that stuff, this stuff. So our deltas, let's see if we can look at our position deltas here. Here we go, group by symbol. So our deltas are, well, this is hard to tell because, what is that? 224, 3224. What the heck? And what do we got here? Got 322. Good Lord. It's hard to tell over here, y'all. I just have to go with it. All right, so over here we've got 275, 282. I tried. 275, 282. 282. And what's wrong with that? There we go. 275, 282. Fix that back. And then VIX is at 13. And our buying power usage is on our ES is 123.8. Now we don't do trades on this one till Wednesday. All right, so there's nothing for me to do in this account other than just sit here because we just traded on Wednesday. All right, now let's turn our attention. Sorry, y'all, for the long video, but it just is what it is. We got a lot to do. Let's go to the big green monster. And we're going to take this off. So remove that. Then we're going to go to clean chart. And I'm just going to draw it really, really quickly, okay? We're on the bottom of the top. There we go. And then we got to anchor it into those exact positions. So here we're at high 48, 41, 50, 48, 41, 50. And the low is 48, 45, 48, 75, 45, 48.75. There we go. Now, move it down like this. So then how you do this thing is you get your other little drawing, this, and you draw from here here to here to your 100. Right? Then you activate this. You bring your 100 up to your 200. Hang it. 100 up 200, and then bring this to the start of where you did that. Beautiful. Now let's get rid of this chart. And let's make this all green. And we'll call this December for Jan. And make them all green. Okay, everybody with me? So now let's go back to volume profile. And let's see what we've got here. Okay, volume profile, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the lower section of fairly priced. See, it's amazing when you go back, it even, kind of shows you here that, yes, this is an area of support. So it looks like we are at an area of support right here. We would expect this to be support, may go down below it, but it probably is going to pop back into this area right here. But we got a good area of support there. All right. So let's see, we've got a question here. Can you share the link to the new chart? Yes, I can. I will share that for y'all right now. Let's see, volume profile. Let us share this grid and share. And I'll put it in the chat for you. Y'all just control C. Now, y'all want to have a little fun? Y'all want to see? I can't. I'm trying to remember if I can do this for the year because we need to enter Tasty's. They got a prognostication thing. You can win $2,000. So I'm gonna stop the video here and we'll do that if anyone wants to hang out and stay for that. Okay. Otherwise, I love all of you. Thank you for being a part of our Tasty Nerds, or Trader Nerds, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.